Hello again, YouTube people. I'm making another video. I'm gonna try and do a video a week. Whether that will continue when I start doing some work again, I don't know. But anyway, here with my Motorola radio again, the DP3400. I'm gonna do another few little tests. Today, what I'm investigating is the effect that RF on, well, in this case I'm going to use an analogue radio on the same frequency as digital affects the signal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for a little wander, not very far this time because I'm not expecting this to be overly successful, and I'm going to talk back to this radio here on analogue and digital, and then halfway through I'm going to key up on this and see what effect that has. Obviously here I'm very close to the receiving radio, so I suspect that's why it's not working. But anyway, so I'm going to go out, key up over this, see what happens. I'm going to keep it about an arm's length away from the transmitting radio, just, well, because I can really. And yeah, there we go. I'm going to get on with it quickly, only a quick walk. Going to go about a mile away and see what we get.
So I'm on the way to the first position on my talking on my analogue. I'm only using the Motorola today, so I'm talking on analogue. Yeah, it's very wet again, not very windy today, and yeah, I'm going to try about 4 or 5 positions, different positions to I used for the other tests, sadly, because obviously I'm not expecting this to be overly successful, so I'm doing some closer positions. Yeah, I'm walking through a bit of water at the moment. I wonder if you can hear that. Right, so I'm now at the first position, talking on analogue, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to have a countdown until we key up the other radio, which is another analogue radio on the same frequency. 3, 2, 1. Now keying up both radios, check call, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is analogue, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm now talking on the digital, and I'm going to do the same thing. Well, now you should be receiving me loud and clear, so I'm not very far away. So, yeah, 3, 2, 1. And on digital, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is keying up both radios. Right, so here I am now at position 2, talking on analogue. Same again, countdown, 3, 2, 1. Keying up both radios, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on analogue, test, 1, 2, 2, 3. Now on the digital, going to do the same thing. Countdown, 3, 2, 1. Now keying up both radios with the digital, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, test. On digital, test 1, 2, 3. Right, I'm now at position 3 on analogue, and we're going to key up in 3, 2, 1. Right, here I am at position 3, and I am on digital now, so countdown, 3, 2, 1. Test, 1, 2. Alright, I am now at position 4, which actually corresponds to position alpha on the main test video that I did with these radios, well, last week now. Anyway, so I'm talking now on analogue, and I'm going to key up in 3, 2, 1. Keying up both radios. Testing, 123.
I'm now at position 4, which is position alpha, and I am on digital. So I'm going to key up in 3, 2, 1. Keying up both radio. So I'm walking under this subway thing, and it's looking like that is probably even this test, because it's quite flooded here. Anyway, I'm not sure how successful this is going to be. If it's successful, I will go on my full route to Station Alpha through the hotel, as you saw in the first video, which I'm going to link to my first video, because how much I'm referencing to it.
Right, so I'm now walking back under the subway on analogue, and the previous test I found analogue tended to be slightly better along than the digital, so we will see, but that is under a subway, big concrete subway, so although it's not very far away, it's probably messing with my signal a fair bit. Anyway, so we're just going to go back now. It's a nice short test today. Nice little video, hopefully. Don't know until we get back.
Thanks for watching.